Today I am going to demonstrate the new experiment, that is to verify the inverse square law using a photovoltaic cell. What is photovoltaic cell? A photovoltaic cell is a device which converts optical energy into electrical energy. This is a photovoltaic cell which this is a light source, and this is a photovoltaic cell. It converts the optical energy into electrical energy, which is measured by a galvanometer or micrometer. And objective of this experiment is that intensity of the light, that is intensity of light, varies as the inverse square of the distance. That is, for intensity of light, I is proportional to 1 upon d square. D is the distance between the photovoltaic cell and the light source. As we increases the distance between the photovoltaic cell and light source, the intensity of light, that is the current in the micrometer, decreases, which after taking different readings by varying the distance of micrometer, we can plot a graph between 1 upon d square and deflection, that is deflection in the galvanometer, that is current. We draw the graph is a straight line. This shows that the graph shows that the distance d increases between the distance d, that is 1 upon d square, and intensity I is a straight line, which shows that this verifies the inverse square law. Precautions in this experiment is the light source should be intense so as it gives sufficient light. Whole cathode surface of the photocell should be exposed with light. The galvanometer or micrometer should be free so that it shows full deflection. Connection should be tight. I am just going to connect the circuit according to the diagram. And just see, this is the photo cell characteristics apparatus. This is the millivoltmeter and this is the micrometer. In this case, I am using this only micrometer for measuring the current, which is given by the photoelectrons. What are photoelectrons? The electrons which are the current which is obtained by optical energy is the photoenergy, and this is the photoelectrons, which is proportional to the current. Intensity of the photon is proportional to this current, and you see that this micrometer is of 1000 micrometer range. Its least count is 0 to 10 division contains 200 micrometer. Then what is its least count? 200 divided by 10. Then its least count is 200 divided by 10, that is 20 micrometer. From here we take the measure the distance between the light source, and this is the photocell. This is the photocell. Its positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the micrometer, and its negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the micrometer. This photovoltaic cell converts this light energy, that is optical energy, into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is measured by the micrometer. in the form of micrometer current. Now the distance between the light source and photovoltaic cell is smaller, the value of current is more. See, this is out of scale. I am increasing the distance between the light source and photovoltaic cell. For this is the optical bench. I move this photovoltaic cell away from the source. When I am moving it away from the source, students, see here the current decreasing. For example, if I will take it here, then there is a point, suppose this is 33 and this is 46. Then what is the distance? 46 minus 33. 46 minus 33 will be the distance, that is 46 minus 33 is 13 centimeter. Again we increase the distance between these two, the current decreases. For this we take the different value of the measure the different value of distance between light source and the photovoltaic cell and corresponding value of the micrometer, that is current in micrometer. This is again as we increase the distance, its value decreases. Its value decreases. So thus, by increasing the distance between light source and photovoltaic cell, we measure for different value of distance, we measure different value of the current and draw a graph between I and 1 upon d square. This will be a straight line. For observation, we take the distance between photovoltaic cell and light source. It is 5 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 30 centimeter. For 5 different readings, we note down the deflection in the micrometer. We will get 5 different value of the photoelectric current, that will be deflection in measure in form of deflection theta. We note down it. Now we take the distance between these two, that is 18 minus 5, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38. This is the D. 13 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 23 centimeter, 28, 33, 38. Now square it, the value of D square, 169 and so on. Now calculate 1 by D square. Then plot the value of the 1 upon D square on x axis and deflection on y axis. We get a straight line. This shows that the inverse square law is verified. Student, note down, this is the simple experiment and this is on the basis of photovoltaic effect, which photovoltaic cell convert the optical energy into electrical energy, and this electrical energy, the amount of electrical energy, that is intensity of electrical energy, depends on the intensity of the intensity of the light source. Intensity of light source changes by changing the distance. When we go it closer to the light source, the value of the micrometer, that is current, increases. When we go away from the light source, the value of the micrometer, current in the micrometer decreases. In this way, this experiment is verified, and write down this experiment in your copy. What is photocell and what is the benefit of the photovoltaic cell and where it is being used in your daily life, and also prepare its viva. Thank you.